girl Samantha. Today, I'm going to be making blueberry oat bars, which are so easy to make, and not to mention, they're not too bad for you. You got the oats, you got the blueberries, and even if you wanted to substitute sugars that I'm using for honey or dates, I'm pretty sure you could probably do it. I'm gonna start off by showing you the ingredients, telling you kind of what we're gonna be doing, and then we're gonna go straight into the Zoom mode. If you wanna just fast forward into that part, I'm gonna do a voiceover and then you can watch the whole thing. So here's what you're gonna need. You are going to need a pan, 8 by 8 inch. You're gonna have the parchment paper here. Let me show you. Let me show you. So I got the strip here, and you kind of just fold it in. So what you're going to be doing is just layering it onto this, so that when it comes out of the oven and it's cooled down, of course, you just pull it out. Super easy. Now for the base, we got the rolled oats, brown sugar, half a cup of that. I have 3/4 of a cup of flour, which I put cinnamon and a pinch of salt into this. I have a pint of already washed blueberries, lemon, vanilla extract, and that is it. Now without further ado, let's get into it.
First things first, go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Throw those rolled oats into a clean mixing bowl. Pour the flour, cinnamon, and salt mixture into that bowl. The brown sugar as well. Give that a quick stir. Time to add your melted butter. Once it's added, give that a stir as well. Get right in there, use your hands if you want. Now you're going to grab your pan, ensure that the parchment paper is sealed on the sides. Now pour this beautiful mixture in and continue to press it onto the bottom to form a nice crust. Save some extra on the side so that you could pour it on top of your blueberries after. In a separate mixing bowl, throw your blueberries inside. Throw your vanilla extract in there. I personally love vanilla extract, so I had to do a double take and add some more. Squeeze half of your lemon into there. Make sure you don't get any seeds like I did. Just pick them out. No big deal. Now you're going to be adding granulated sugar and cornstarch into this mixture, which I forgot to mention before. So if you want the full recipe, just look down below. Give it a good old mixin'. Now just pour those blueberries on top of your crust. And with the extra crust, you're just gonna add that on top after you spread out these blueberries. going to put this in your preheated oven for 45 minutes and voila.